Step into the ultimate collection of wild boar hunts across the United States. Get ready to experience 50 of the most thrilling and adrenaline-charged boar hunting moments ever captured on film. Will the hunters triumph, or will these relentless beasts prove too powerful? To bring down, drop a 1 in the comments if you're ready for the most intense wild boar action ever caught on camera. The wild boar population keeps expanding and pushing northward across the United States. As one of the most destructive invasive species in the country, their rapid growth has become a serious concern. These resilient animals face no natural predators besides humans and can adapt to almost any environment they encounter. At present, nothing seems capable of halting their spread. Reports and data from the USDA and the University of Georgia reveal that wild boars are present in over 90% of counties across most southern states. Over time, their range has steadily expanded both westward and northward, and now states like California, Hawaii, Michigan, and Pennsylvania also host large and growing wild boar populations. In 2011, researchers at the Kerr Wildlife Management Center in Texas conducted experiments to study the effects of sodium nitrate on feral pigs and non-target species. Although a poison bait trial program was launched, its true effectiveness remains under review with no definitive data available on its success rate. This uncertainty raises concerns about both the practicality and safety of using this approach to control wild pig populations. If you have more insights or experiences related to this method, feel free to share them in the comments below. With an estimated 6 million wild boars roaming across 35 states, many regions now require hunters to wear bright orange gear to ensure safety during hunts. This high-visibility color makes it easier for hunters to spot one another and reduces the chances of accidental misidentification. While there aren't specific statistics detailing the difficulty of wild boar hunting, participants are generally required to complete training and undergo medical evaluations to confirm they're fit and prepared for the physical demands of the wild. Do you think these safety measures are fair and necessary? If you agree, drop a 2 in the comments and hit the like button. Understanding wild boar behavior is essential for safety and effective management. These invasive animals are notoriously unpredictable, especially when wounded or threatened. According to the Mississippi Department of Wildlife, Fisheries, and Parks, several hunters have been attacked after failing to maintain a safe distance. Such incidents often stem from underestimating the boar's speed and not giving it enough space. Although Texas has allowed open handgun carry without a permit, since 2021, many hunters still choose to obtain a license to carry LTC for the added security training and legal benefits it provides. Before heading into the field, new hunters undergo intensive training at major shooting centers like the Texas Hog Hunters Association, where they learn to use long-range rifles to shoot accurately in challenging terrain, master approach and ambush techniques, read tracks, and choose optimal shooting positions. The training typically runs 3 to 6 weeks, enough time to turn a novice into a capable, skilled hunter. Prepare yourself for the brutal cold of December as you push through Texas's dense forests. Will you give up or press on as temperatures dip below 10°F in some areas, each breath burning your lungs and a single misstep on icy terrain risking a crash onto the frozen ground? So what makes winter wild boar hunting different? Limited visibility and heavy snowfall can turn a clean shot into a risky gamble. You'll need to depend on thermal scopes and high-powered optics to locate your target before it vanishes into the whiteout. For safety, it's best to hunt in groups of at least 3. This ensures fast medical support and backup in case a shot goes wrong. Is hunting wild boars truly the most effective and sustainable way to control their population, or should we look toward alternative methods to manage this invasive species? It's an important question that demands careful consideration, not only addressing the immediate problem, but also thinking about the long-term effects on ecosystems and local communities. What's your take on wild boar hunting? Is it the right approach, or do you believe there are better solutions out there? Share your opinion by commenting one if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the next episode as we continue exploring fascinating topics on environmental protection and invasive species management. New Zealand is home to one of the world's largest floodplains, supporting an estimated 10 million ducks. Their habitats span lakes, rivers, swamps, and wetlands environments that create perfect conditions for wild ducks to flourish. These waters provide not only an endless food supply, but also secure shelters from natural predators and harsh weather. Are you ready to join the adventure? If you are, drop a 1 in the comments below. The New Zealand teal, also known as the grey teal, is among the most widespread duck species in the region. Males are easily recognized by their glossy green heads, while females have a muted brown plumage that provides effective camouflage. Their diet mainly includes grasses, seeds, and insects, which supply the nutrients and energy they need for migration. During the breeding season, teal ducks nest close to water sources, where the females take on the responsibility of nurturing and protecting their young until they are ready to survive on their own. The population of New Zealand teal has surged in recent years, reaching an estimated 10 million individuals. While this growth reflects the success of conservation initiatives, it also presents new challenges. The expanding population affects local ecosystems and can lead to human-wildlife conflicts such as crop damage in agricultural zones and the growing presence of teal ducks in urban environments. These developments underscore the importance of implementing effective management strategies that strike a balance between wildlife conservation and the protection of human interests. To minimize negative impacts, controlled hunting has emerged as a practical approach to reducing conflicts between teal ducks and humans. The duck hunting season runs from May to July, often subjecting hunters to extreme winter conditions, with temperatures dropping as low as 30 degrees. To withstand these harsh environments, hunters must be in excellent physical shape. They typically wear dark, weather-resistant clothing and take cover behind portable blinds or tents, protecting themselves from biting winds while staying hidden from the sharp-eyed ducks overhead. Duck hunting in New Zealand has evolved into a blend of long-standing tradition and cutting-edge technology, allowing hunters to save anywhere from 5 to 7 hours when locating duck habitats. Research from the New Zealand Fish and Game Council reveals that ducks don't always migrate toward lake regions, making it essential for hunters to possess a deep understanding of the species' behavior, flight patterns, and preferred environments to ensure a successful hunt. Hunters often rely on specialized breeds such as Labrador Retrievers and Chesapeake Bay Retrievers, which undergo 6 to 12 months of intensive training before being certified by the New Zealand Hunting Dog Trials Association. These resilient dogs are capable of enduring freezing temperatures and skillfully retrieving ducks that fall into hard-to-reach or icy waters. Have you ever gone hunting with trained dogs? If yes, drop a 2 in the comments, and if not, comment 3 below. Across New Zealand's wide-open fields, ducks often fly just 10 to 20 meters above the ground, a behavior evolved to evade predators while conserving energy. To lure them in without raising suspicion, hunters strategically place lifelike decoys that replicate the duck's natural shape and movement. When used effectively, these decoys can boost hunting success rates by up to 40%, especially when paired with sharp observation and precise shooting skills. In New Zealand, duck hunting is generally limited to individuals aged 16 and older to ensure participants meet the legal and safety requirements. One of the key tools used in duck hunting is the whistle designed to imitate duck calls with remarkable precision, up to 90% accuracy compared to natural sounds. Hunters usually train in small groups of 3 to 4 people before venturing into the field to refine their coordination and timing. The 12-gauge shotgun remains the most popular weapon of choice, offering both the range and stopping power necessary to effectively target ducks at varying distances. Before setting out into the field, new hunters must complete thorough training and ensure they're fully prepared with the right equipment. Specialized retailers such as Hunting and Fishing New Zealand provide quick access to top-quality gear, including firearms, decoys, camouflage, apparel, and other essential tools, helping hunters stay safe, efficient, and ready for the challenges of the hunt. Why are ducks hunted so extensively in New Zealand? The answer lies in the rapid population boom that has caused major disruptions to the agricultural industry. According to data from New Zealand Fish and Game and the Department of Conservation, more than 1.5 million ducks have left their natural habitats and moved into farmlands in search of food. Traveling in massive flocks of 500 to 10 birds, they can devastate crops, leading to an estimated $2 million in agricultural losses each year. Severe damage typically occurs from April to September when ducks actively forage for food-depleting soil nutrients and hindering plant growth. After seeing the hunting methods and practices of New Zealand hunters, what are your thoughts on this issue? Share your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button to support our work and encourage us to create more high-quality content about invasive species management in the United States. Thank you for watching. The long-winged ducks are now in motion, the only ones still soaring above the landscape. These techniques have proven highly effective in slowing the spread of certain invasive species. Do you have better ideas for addressing this challenge? Share your thoughts in the comments below so we can discuss and learn together. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to tell your friends so they can join us too. See you in the next video.